Hey everyone. So it's it's already Wednesday, and let's see what's going on. What's the situation in there with London session? So first, let's start with 50-minute eurusd. Let's look at those order blocks. Those are correct. This is sell zone. This is buy zone. Mid level is long, and peak turn trend is short. So we can keep this in mind, but it doesn't kind of affect us too much. What we will have, we have clean target, which is right here, previous day high, and we have possibly, actually we already hit the delivery in here, so that's a shame. We already hit it there. Okay, what we have actually some sell opportunity, or like order block for sell, but what's the issue in here? Okay, like one good thing about this is that we already kind of tapped the highs, so it's pretty high level, so high, so price seems to reverse from there, so it may be even good choice to buy from there. Not buy but sell in here. This is our level as well, and even better level is that one. From there market can reverse. Now this sell opportunity in here, I would probably still take it. Let's see how it will play out. Maybe we need a little better like entry in there, or like better entry model, but I'm still, you know, pretty much into that. Let's check out gbpusd. So totally different chart. Daily, like previous day high is not even close to us, but what we have pretty nice level for the buy in here. Just in case, let's mark out, do we have order block? I don't know, but here we have. So let's mark out those order blocks in here as well. Yes, we have actually order block in here, so let's mark this one out as well. So if we get taps from here, we can buy. Let's see if we have some target, and actually we do have. We have really good order block in here, which means that the A plus setup would be tap in here and continuation till upwards in here. So we have some levels, really good. Now let's check out what happened yesterday after our stream closed. So here, this was my level with euro USD. This was stream time. Let's go to 1 minute so you can see. So that was the order block, what we watched. No, it's wrong time. Let me move to the previous day in here. So this like blue box is our session time when we do live session. This yellow box is when we can make some trades as well. So after that session, we hit it here, we got the signal, we had a setup. So from 9.7 pip stop loss, take profit 1, 5.5, let's say 5ish. And since we don't have any targets, I would just target 1-1, which happened in here. So pretty clear. 1-1 hit plus or like take profit 1 plus take profit 2 hits from yesterday. And if we watch a little bit closer here what happened afterwards, we hit it in here. We have no order blocks, maybe in here. but yeah, pretty much that's what happened. gbpusd, let's see what happened yesterday. Did we had some levels? Nope. Nope. Here, okay, here, this one. This is like clearly after my session, so I don't trade anymore there. But we actually hit. Let's see just how it played out. Yesterday in here, so we had first tap in here. We had signal as well. So this could have been our trade in here. Yeah, at least take profit one would be hit. Now, did we get some like re-entry possibilities? Yes, we kinda have. To be honest, I would just take only one trade, but here was the signal, so this could have been trade as well. But yeah, from my case, you know, this first one would have been the trade. Of course, that was already when my like session was over, and I don't like, we're not streaming and we are not even looking for the trades, or like I am not, but I know that some of you in here trade afterwards as well. So in any case, you know, yesterday should have been a profitable day, really. Let me delete this one. Where was it? Tuesday, to make it clear. But yeah, yesterday for 50 minutes, let's see where we got. But yeah, yesterday this one in here was really clean. So and it happened like pretty much 10-15 minutes after our session, or like live session, was over. Yeah, afterwards some order block in here. Okay, those were already tapped order blocks, so I wouldn't take there some order blocks. Yeah, and yeah, for the day, let's check out this again. We kind of have those like previous day highs, which would be like really good targets usually. And yeah, also we have this sell level, so if it tapped in there, I would sell. It may be not the best case scenario, but I would tap in there. If we would tap in there, I would take this. So let's see, market opens in 3 minutes. Let's see what we can cut. And yeah, gbpusd wise, this, you know, higher level, those are like really nice levels. Like for example with yesterday as well, like is there any order blocks to us or not? But just those like swing highs, you can see like heated swing high, reversed, heated swing high, reversed. And now if you're clearly getting into there, it's really high possibility that we can reverse from there. But let's see how it plays out. And there's also like, there is two ways to play it out really nicely. Actually both of them like working really well. If we hit in here and we have like clear, like really clean target, plus we have momentum up and clean target in here, then most probably from here to here we will catch it. And also if we tap in here and we make some sort of market structure shift, sells from there would be perfect. But with sells, that's the case. Like that's the hardest part. Usually we need some sort of confirmation, so market structure shift or something that yes, we really want to get like sells from there. So yeah, let's see which one will hit. It looks like EURUSD starting its run towards order block. If it taps, actually already I can go to 1 minute and see. So okay, looks like we got the trade in there. I don't know if it was a tap, probably it was. I think from there was this order block, so it was a tap to the order block, lining up with New York open. It's New York, like London open. So if right now we will catch like entry, that would be perfect timing as well for us. So if this candle will be red, I will go in for the sell. Let's see, 30 seconds to go. Yeah, right now it looks like really nice. When we enter, then we will see what's like the target number 2 or take profit 2. But let's see, maybe it will go green and make a little bit more push as well. I wouldn't be surprised. Yeah, looks like it. Like last seconds it wants to go green. But let it go green then. Okay, now we tapped once more in here. Yeah, we go even more upwards. So let's see. See, I don't mind that at all. If you go deeper into the order block, we already have the signal, so we only need to wait for next red candle. And if we go, yeah, if we go like midpoint to the order block, that will be maybe even the best case scenario. But let's see where we end up. Next red candle, I will go in anyway. Not when we have like broken order block. So 6 seconds. Okay, that was red. I will go in. So I went in here. This for me it's red candle. Maybe we will get some like a little bit more push upwards, but that is pretty much where I want to see my trade. So let me just move this away for now. So in 1 minute, this was my setup. Stop loss will be 10 pips. Take profit 1, 5.3, like this. We see if everything is confirmed. Yes, it is. So this will be like setup number 1. And let's now check where could be our next target. And to be honest, it's either here or here. I don't know if we would like to make it safer. Let's make it safer. So 19 pips, 19.7 pips. So there is my target number 2. Let me adjust it as well. Yeah, so that is my target, final target. And let's go once more to the 1 minute. 1 minute is playing around, and also gbpusd. I will give you this gbpusd example because here I guess we don't have any trades. So yesterday, that example in there, like I said, like you know, there was like take profit 1 hits and so on, but what's in favor for this higher stop loss? So we used to use stop loss like this. You can see we tapped into stop loss, moved to the take profit. We tapped into stop loss, moved to the take profit, and so on, so on. Yes, we of course we would have first have got like take profit 1, but let's just assume that we didn't catch the take profit 1. In that case, you know, just silly stop losses. Now when we just double this 15, you can see it depends like what style or how you will trade and so on, but pretty much like higher stop loss will cover everything. So no matter, like you can run it like I don't know, let me make it 15 bit, 15 minutes. So yesterday was here. So let's just say that you just run it till next order block like this. You can see, like, yes, you have like 2 times amount of stop loss right now, but also you have way safer stop loss. So eventually you still hit the targets, and this is I think this is like a picture perfect example what happened all the time last month, and why we changed that stop loss higher side, because you can see it's like we were correct about our entry. Like this zone, really, price tapped into the zone. From there we went exactly to the next order block and we reversed from there. So everything was correct. Just usually we have good entries, but market just playing around, and we will catch our stop loss and then we will get our take profit. Last month, really, there was only one losing setup that way. Like everything hit the take profit, just first like really quick stop loss hit. And yeah, like this one seems like running pretty nicely as well. When it hits take profit 1, then I will move my stop loss to break even. And let's see if you do have some, if you have something more to add here. So yeah, pretty much from there, I don't know, like if it's going to be downwards or it just hits our up with a take profit 1 at least, so we can secure our position. We're like about halfway there, maybe a little bit less. It's like playing in there, but yeah, from here I will put my alert, create alert. So from here I would look for buys from here and from here. With the gbpusd I am open for sells, but those sells need to make some market structure shift, like I said, because we're clearly going so up that I want to see some like reaction at least in 1 minute. So I put alert in here as well, and I put alert in here. If we get the buy first before tap into there, I will just go in. For the sells, I need some more confirmation that this trend upwards is over. But yeah, let's see. This is playing out pretty nicely right now, seems like. And yeah, like I said, it's lining up with London Open. So that's usually the best case scenario, because during London Open market will pick the direction. So I don't know, it could be possible that all of our lows, even like those ones, and maybe even new daily low, will generate it, because like this London session usually start with like new move. But let's see. I will be happy with this take profit, and I will be even happy with DP1 hit only as well. So that would be great. Check on 1 minute. Let's see, like, I don't know, 2 more minutes. If we catch the take profit 1, then it's pretty much job done, and I don't see anything to happen. And take profit 1 is, by the way, around here from me, so I can just, I don't know, let's put this one in here. Around here is my take profit 1. So if we catch that, stop loss break even and let it run for the around 20 pips. Also, yeah, alerts are done in here. So yeah, let's see. Also, like what I have done is that when we get, let's say, around here, like really close, when we get buy signal and we are really close to our take profit, I would close manually take profit 1 and put stop loss to break even if you are really close to take profit, because what I've also seen is that those unnecessary losses when we like almost hit the target, but just we want to be really precise and wait for target really to be hit. So I don't mind to close it manually if it's needed. But I don't know if this candle will break it, but I'm really close till this green candle went in there. I was really close for take profit 1. I'm actually still really close there. So yeah, that's it. Those are the levels. Thank you for joining, and see you all later with New York session. Bye bye.